Hello and good morning, grade 7 with you, Mr. Samir Awad. And today we are going to get a revision over chapter 1, lesson 3, water underground. And today our revision will be about the questions to consolidate over the water underground. We talked about the water underground and we said we have water to get underground and seep and absorbed by the soil in the area of unsaturated area or zone is impermeable or permeable. So you will get the permeable in the beginning in the unsaturated zone, and after that you will get the area of impermeable rocks in the saturated zone up to the water to get to the water table, which is the maximum amount or the top of the unsaturated of the saturated zone. Sorry, and you guys will get the water trapped in this area, and this area will be called as aquifer. And we get that how the water is moving in the aquifers. Yeah, according to two things we talked about: the permeability of the soil down, and also we talked about the slope, how it's going to be like incline, and the slope is getting the water to be from the upper areas to downward in the lower areas, according to incline and slope. And we talked how you can start to get the water through the wells, digging wells up to the water table. And also we talked about the pumps, and we talked about by the end the artesian wells that getting the water by pressure like a fountain. So today we are going to start our questions today by choose the best answer to the following question. Number one would be which describes materials that have large and connected pores such as sand and gravel. Number A will be unsaturated, number B impermeable, number C saturated, number D permeable. And when I say that, it will be permeable because both sand and gravel are permeable materials. So the answer will be D permeable. Number two, by knowing the water table depth, you know how deep you dig to reach of the following: reach granite, to reach springs, reach groundwater, to reach pores. The best answer for that will be groundwater because I will dig deeper than of the water table to get groundwater. So number C, groundwater will be the answer for number two. Best answer for number three, where can the water table be found? And number A, at the top of the saturated zone. Number B, between layers of impermeable rocks. Number C, in unsaturated zone. Number D, below layers of clay soil. And the best answer for that, it's in the area at the top of the saturated zone. And A will be the answer for number three. Number four, which is the best way to get water from an aquifer with a well? Number A, drill below the water table. Number B, drill below aquifer. Number C, drill near the dry well. Number D, drill below impermeable rock. So the best answer here will be drill below the water table will get the water faster and you will get good water and filtered water. Let's get to question number two. Is use illustration below and separate sheet paper to answer the questions from 5 to 10. So we'll get extra sheet here or external sheet in order to answer this question. This area number one is layer of loose soil. So loose soil is getting a lot of spaces between it. So this layer will get to absorb water down because it's permeable. And number two, layer of sand, as we said, sand and gravel. And number two and number three, they are permeable. So the water will seep between layer number one, two, and three in order to get to down. And by getting down, it will get to layer of hard clay and layer of solid rock. So in the hard clay will be start to get to be absorb the water between the spaces, and it will be here completely. 4 and 5 will be impermeable layer, and the top of the layer of hard clay will be the water table. So let's see the questions coming, guys. Question number 5, asking which layers are permeable. And we would say that layer 1, which is layer of loose soil, layer 2 of sand, and layer 3 of gravel. 3 are permeable and allow water to move through them. Question number 6, which layer are impermeable? It will be layer 4 and layer 5. There will be 2 layers are impermeable. They will save the water in this area. Number 7, use a blue pencil or marker to add groundwater to the diagram, both in logical place. So here we'll start to put the water in the saturated zone, should be placed near the bottom of the diagram. So this area will be great area to put the water in. So the water will be here, and the top of this area will be the water table. So this line will be the line for the water table here. Number 8, label the saturated zone. So the saturated zone will start from the hard clay to get to the bottom up till the end. Number 9, label the water table. So the water table will be in this area by the end of the gravel. You can make it by the line here, and that will be the water table, the top of the saturated layer. You have to know this area. Number 10, label unsaturated zone. So unsaturated zone will start by layer 1 and ends by the end of layer 3, and that will be the unsaturated zone. Yeah, thank you for your listening and attention. Grade 7, hope you to be safe at home and work hard. Waiting for you in the interactive sessions. Was with you, Mr. Samir Awad. Good luck and bye-bye.